Good morning, fourth graders. Today we are on page 259 of our student journal, and we are on Unit 11, Lesson 7. So today we're just continuing with what we started yesterday. We're just going to be continuing talking about these lines of symmetry. So our goal is, today I will identify and draw lines of, symmetry. And remember, lines of symmetry mean that the imaginary line where an image can be folded and both halves match exactly. So they have to match exactly. Okay, so since we started this yesterday, I'm just going to jump right in and get started on my problems. Here's my first problem. It kind of looks like, it reminds me of like a kind of a cross. And it asks me, determine whether the figure has a line of symmetry. If it does, draw in the line or lines of symmetry. So where could I fold this that's going to match perfectly up? Could I fold it right there, vertically? I think that would work. What about horizontally? Would that work? Yep. What about diagonal on this one? If I folded this right here, this is going to take a little longer to think about. If I folded that one right there, would those match up? Who's a little not sure about that one? Some of you are kind of debating it. Let's think. We have to picture it in our mind. If I take this and fold it over, is this going to fold over and touch that? Oh, if you're saying yes, you are correct. So if that works, couldn't I fold it right here also? So this one had 4 lines of symmetry. That is quite a lot. Okay, let's look at my next one. All right, my pentagon. So where could I fold this? Right there. That would work. What about horizontally? Could I fold it horizontally? Not quite. But what if I turn my book and I have my pentagon this way? Couldn't I do it right there? And what if I turn my book again and I look at my pentagon this way? Could I do it right here? And what if I turn my book again and look at my pentagon this way? Couldn't I do it right there? And what if I turn my pentagon this way? Could I do it right here? So really, I could have drawn 5 lines of symmetry on this pentagon. Okay, let's try some together. We're on page 260. And this one, I think, was a great one that they showed us because this one's a little tricky. Look really closely. What are you thinking? Looks really similar. Kind of looks like I should be able to do it because the 2 men look exactly the same. Okay, now what I want you to remember though, that symmetry doesn't mean I could cut them and then put them on top of each other. So if I could cut them and put them on top of each other, that might work. Symmetry means I'm going to fold it. So what's going to happen if I fold it? Say I fold this one down. I go like this, like that. Is this man going to be facing the opposite direction? If I fold him down, isn't he going to be facing that way? And he's still going to be facing that way. So are they going to line up correctly? I hope you said no. There's none or no, or we could say 0 lines of symmetry. That one is not going to work. Okay, let's look at our second one. Okay, where could we fold this where they're going to match up perfectly? Can we fold it vertically? No. Diagonally? Not at all. But I could fold it horizontally. So this one only has 1 line of symmetry. Okay, So ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to find as many lines as possible. You have 2 pages you're going to be working on. Today is the last lesson I was going to be filming with you. So if you've been doing my lessons while you've been home on this distant learning, I just want to tell you that I really appreciate all your hard work, and I'm glad I got to be part of your learning. So have a great rest of your day and a great summer. Goodbye.